Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Today, I am going to show you how to install Claude Desktop on Claude Linux. Please subscribe to the channel. First of all, we will download Claude Desktop Debian from GitHub. On this GitHub page, you will find the Claude Desktop file for all types of Linux, so download the file corresponding to your operating system. For this, you need to go to Releases. Here you will find the commands for installation, and below you will find their installation binaries. I will download the file for my Claude Linux, which is installed in a virtual machine and is an ARM-based OS. From here, I will copy the link and go to the terminal. Here, I will type the command wget and paste the link I copied. This will download the package to my Claude machine. After downloading, I will type sudo dpk-i followed by the name of that file. It will be installed here. Now let me open it and show you. I will type Claude in the search bar. It has opened here on Linux. Now simply log in and start using it. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.